After what's been a really beautiful but also quite busy time of travel for us recently, we were kindly invited to stay at literally the cottage home of my dreams. Tucked away on the Tasman Peninsula, we felt like we were on the edge of the world, just us and Finny and a few dreamy slow days in this beautiful little cottage home. More and more recently, I'm feeling a deep calling to the gentle cottage life, to building a little home with our bare hands, somewhere surrounded by trees, without another soul in sight, just growing all of our own food and spending the slow days tending to our land, cherishing the simplest tasks, because throughout all of our travels, we've truly come to realise that it is the little moments that bring us the most joy in life. I love travelling and adventure, and I know it will always be a huge part of my life, but I also know that having some place to call our own someday will fill us with the deepest sense of peace.
The other day when we arrived here, we found just like bushes and bushes of blackberries. I'm going to pick this massive bowl of them. And they are so delicious. Reece is just attempting to make some blackberry jam, and then we might even make like a loaf of bread and have fresh bread and jam for breakfast.
Well, I don't think the bread will be ready for breakfast.
Yeah, it could take a while. Little cottage that we're staying at is run by Montana and her partner Tom. It's called Sea Forest Cottage, which is just the cutest little stay in Eagle Hawk Neck, which is one of our favourite places in Tasmania for sure. But yeah, they actually, before they bought this place, they used to live in a bus themselves, and they were like a big inspiration for us to move into the van. So cool seeing their little home, and yeah, feel very, very lucky to get to stay here. It's literally all of my cottage dreams. For my birthday, my friend gave me this book. It's called The Artist's Way, A Spiritual Path to Higher Creativity. And it's basically a course, I think it's a 12-week course on discovering and recovering your creative self. It has just been incredible. Yeah, it just dives into some really beautiful stuff about creative living and how important it is for all of us. Like, we're all innately creative, and really embracing that and harnessing that throughout your entire life in whatever way feels good for you is just like, I really feel like that's the key to living a beautiful, heart-centered life. One of the fundamental parts of this course is the morning pages. So every morning, first thing, you get up and you write 3 full pages of journaling, just like full brain dump onto the page. And it's meant to be just like an incredible tool for really clearing space in your mind and in your life to invite creativity back in, and to just get a lot of clarity on, I guess, like your thought processes, the way your mind works. And yeah, wow, it has just been the most beautiful thing. It's just given me such beautiful insight into my life, the way I view the world, the way I want to view the world, what creatively inspires me. And yeah, even if you don't do this course, just getting up every morning and journaling, flow writing 3 pages, I guarantee you're going to just view the world in a different light and yourself in a different light. And it is such a beautiful way to just release your emotions, you know? We're always holding them in and suppressing them, and then just feeling like crap because of that. And like, emotions are there to tell us messages and to be felt, and if you're not allowing them to be felt and to be heard, they're just gonna become stagnant in your body, and over time you're just gonna hold resentment, and even like physical pain is gonna show in your body from it. But yeah, I just wanted to share that because it's been truly life-changing for me for the last little while, and I'm excited to keep doing this course and share more on it if I feel called to. But yeah, highly recommend this book and highly recommend the morning pages technique. Yeah, Mum used to, with our bread maker, she'd put it on the night before, and then you'd wake up in the morning to fresh bread.
Yeah, that's so nice.
Oh, maybe in our future cottage we'll have a bread maker.
For sure.
My brother asked me to paint him a photo that we took back in Victoria, actually, in a forest there. So I started it before we left for Tasmania, and I'm finally getting around to finishing it. You want to come sit with me? Okay. I've been really enjoying watercolour painting recently. I always told myself that, oh, you can't paint, or you're not good at drawing, or whatever. And so I just stopped myself from ever actually giving it a go and, you know, allowing myself to learn how to do it. And I was just thinking about it a little while ago, and I was like, that is so silly, because I love painting and I love creating and I love playing with colours, and yeah, why would I not allow that kind of joy for myself just because technically I am not great at it? I think as adults it can be really hard to learn a new skill because we get so stuck in the, oh, we want to be able to do it and we want to be good at it. We just hate the phase of learning and maybe not being so good at it. Oh, I don't know, maybe that's just me, but I find it frustrating. But yeah, I'm switching my mindset on that, and I'm learning to just enjoy the process and enjoy just creating without, needing any kind of outcome. And it's been really beautiful. If you're someone that has been stopping yourself from, learning a new skill or taking up a new hobby or creating because you think you're not good at it or whatever it is, this is your sign to let go of that mindset and just get out there, do what you love, and enjoy the process of it. Feels good. Oh, I wish you could smell this through the camera.
Should we?
That's got to be one of the greatest smells in the world. It's fresh baked bread. Should we have bread and jam for lunch?
Yes.
So we've got Reese's freshly made blackberry jam from the blackberries we picked the other day, and then just out of the bread maker bread.
Yeah, it's great. That's some good bread.
That's actually so good.
Yeah.
Nice work. Went into the garden and collected some spinach and some herbs to go in our dinner tonight. I just cannot wait to have my own veggie garden and grow all my own food. Yeah, tonight we are making one of our favourite meals when we have an oven. We always tend to make this one. It's so simple. It's literally just roasted sweet potato, and then we make a lentil salad with just lentils, olives, sun-dried tomato, onion, and I'm going to put some spinach and herbs in it. And then you made a creamy sauce to go on top.
Yep. And then put it on the sweet potato, pot sauce on top.
So good. I think your mum actually showed that recipe to us. Hey. Yeah.
Super easy.
I think we're just gonna make dinner and then probably just chill for the rest of the night. It's been a very wholesome day.
So here's to the beautiful time we had at Sea Forest Cottage and to manifesting our own little home like this one day in the near future.